Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Poly Voyager Focus 2. First, let's get familiar with your new headset. It features intuitive controls for calls and media. To begin, locate the power switch on the right ear cup and slide it to the on position. You'll hear a voice prompt confirming it's powered up. For initial pairing, hold the Bluetooth button until the LED flashes red and blue, then select it on your device. Managing your calls is straightforward with the Voyager Focus 2. To answer or end a call, simply press the call button located on the ear cup. You can easily adjust your listening volume using the plus and minus buttons. For moments when you need privacy, the mute button is conveniently placed on the microphone boom. Just flip the boom up to mute or press the button to toggle mute on and off. The Voyager Focus 2 excels in creating a focused environment with its advanced active noise cancellation. You can select from 3 levels of ANC: high, low, or off, depending on your surroundings. Simply slide the ANC switch on the left ear cup to your desired setting. For times when you need to hear your environment, activate the open mic button to temporarily pause ANC and listen in. To keep your Voyager Focus 2 ready for action, charging is simple. Connect the included USB-C cable to the headset and a power source. A full charge provides up to 19 hours of talk time or 40 hours of listening time. For the best audio experience and comfort, adjust the headband for a snug fit. Regularly wipe down the ear cushions with a dry cloth to maintain hygiene and extend the life of your headset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.